Good evening and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Frentle. Here are today's top stories. Meghalaya's short film Unseen Meghalaya shines at the Jaipur International Film Festival, shortlisted for several international screenings. Prime Minister lauds the vaccination of over 2 crore children in the 15 to 18 age group. Meghalaya records 76 new COVID cases. Meghalaya government intensifies COVID testing. Masses leave no stone unturned to adhere to health protocols. And the intensive beautification of localities is being carried out ahead of the 50th statehood day. The news in detail. A short film, Unseen Meghalaya, which highlights the glory of the living root bridges in the state, has bagged an award for the best short documentary film at the 14th Jaipur International Film Festival. Unseen Meghalaya, a journey into the unexplored living root bridges, was produced by Canon India and directed by eminent filmmaker Sapan Narula. It showcases the living root bridges, which are a part of the ancient natural heritage of Northeast India's forests, and tells a tale of a strong bond between nature and a 24-year-old Khasi boy Morningstar Kongthao, who strives to protect and preserve the natural heritage of the state. The film has also been selected for screening at Cannes International Independent Film Festival 2021, Venice Shorts 2021, Switzerland International Film Festival 2021 and the Goa Short Film Festival 2021, among others. Over 2 crore children between the 15 to 18 age group have received the first dose of COVID-19 vaccination within a week. Prime Minister Narendra Modi congratulated the health team on this and urged everyone to maintain the momentum. A total of 3,623 cases of Omicron have been reported in the country so far. The Union Health Ministry said until date, 1,409 people have recovered from the infection. Meanwhile, in Meghalaya, 76 new cases of COVID-19 have been recorded with 10 new recoveries. And the total active cases are 394, of which 321 cases are in East Khasi Hills district alone. With strict restrictions in place, the state government has increased the testing for people for coronavirus. Pertaining to a surge in cases, residents are also seen to be adopting proper health protocols such as wearing masks, maintaining social distancing and frequent hand washing and sanitizing. Many shops have also put up messages like "No mask, no entry" for enforcing strict protocols. Taxis are also seen to be displaying their vaccination status, with Omicron cases being detected in the state last week. At present, there is a single Omicron case in the state. Alerted on this, the public seems to be supporting the government in its endeavour to fight COVID-19.
अभी जो कस्टमर्स आ रहे हैं, एक तो हम लोग क्यू मेंटेन कर रहे हैं, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग वगैरह फॉलो कर रहे हैं, और दूसरा बात है आने के साथ साथ उनको सैनिटाइजर को यूज़ करने के कह रहे हैं.
कस्टमर आने से मास्क लगाने से हम लोग सामान देते हैं, अगर मास्क नहीं लगा तो सामान नहीं देते हैं.
Keep wearing your mask while you are in public and keep your distance from people.
So, and in future, if the government issues any other protocol, so we'll definitely follow that.
The Office of the East Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner will organize mega camps at polling stations of Maukan Rio and Nongkrem Assembly constituencies on January 11th and 12th. According to a statement, during the mega camps, COVID-19 vaccination for people over the age of 15 years, registration of unorganized workers for e-Shram, Aadhaar enrollment and Aadhaar seeding for ration card holders will be organized. Meanwhile, people have been urged to come forward and avail the services. Under a project of the Meghalaya government to beautify and enhance localities in different parts of the state, intensive work is being carried out ahead of Meghalaya's 50th statehood day. As many as 34 localities have received funds to aid them in carrying forward the work. Under the Locality Beautification and Enhancement Competition, an initiative of the Department of Tourism, Various activities, competitions and projects in respective localities and darbars to beautify and enhance localities are being conducted. In its pilot phase, the competition is limited to the localities of Shillong, Tura and Jawai in East Khasi Hills, West Garo Hills and West Jaintia Hills respectively. The first Jan Shatabdi Express trains connecting the states of Manipur and Tripura via Assam was flagged off yesterday by Ashwini Vaishnav, Minister of Railways, Communications, Electronics and Information Technology, and G. Kishan Reddy, Union Minister for Culture, Tourism and Development of the North-Eastern region, in the presence of Chief Ministers of both states. The long-standing demand of the people of Manipur, Tripura and South Assam was fulfilled by the inauguration of the special trains Jan Shatabdi connecting Agartala to Jiribam and vice versa. The inaugural special trains were flagged off from Agartala and Jiribam railway stations simultaneously. Speaking at the inauguration, Minister G. Kishan Reddy said that the special trains will be a crucial link to important towns and provide a major boost to passenger connectivity, trade and tourism. Here's a look at the weather report in Shillong. The maximum temperature was 17.7 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature recorded at 8.4 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 58%, rising to 72% in the evening with no rainfall. The forecast shows weather is most likely to remain dry. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, and in addition to watching on television, viewers may also now visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And for our viewers, here's a recap of today's headlines. Meghalaya's short film Unseen Meghalaya shines at the Jaipur International Film Festival, shortlisted for several international screenings. Prime Minister lauds the vaccination of over 2 crore children in the 15 to 18 age group. Meghalaya records 76 new COVID cases. Meghalaya government intensifies COVID testing. Masses leave no stone unturned to adhere to protocols. An intensive beautification of localities is being carried out ahead of the 50th state review. That's all the news we have today. Thank you for watching. We'll be back same time tomorrow. Have a good evening and stay safe.